Hey guys, it's Karen Mara. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you an ORU marketplace review. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload daily videos. Now, I know I've done a lot of ORU marketplace review videos lately, but I wanted to just talk a little bit more about it and reiterate how important it is in the marketplace today and what is happening. I'm sure you've noticed that marketers are getting their PayPal accounts shut down as well as their merchant accounts shut down, and that is a very serious thing because now there's no way to be able to collect funds, really. I mean, there's some workarounds, but we found a solution in our marketplace, and I wanted to show something to you here. It's basically inevitable. John Valley is an owner of several companies, and he is only going to be using this in some of his businesses as far as a way to collect payments. So he posted this, and I wanted to share this with you, that basically it's inevitable that we're not going to be able to do business with merchant accounts because they have these policy amendments. So basically they're not going to let you do any business with them if you have anything to do with crowdfunding, virtual currency, or stored value. And then if we scroll down here, right here, get rich quick schemes. Now they say that affiliate marketing and multi-level marketing, they're high-risk businesses. So you can see right down here, they're not going to do business with multi-level marketing, high-risk business. They just lump that all together. And what happens, you may still have a Stripe account or a merchant account, but when there's a dispute, that opens you up for questioning. And that's what happened to me. There was, I think it was a charge. It wasn't a chargeback. It was actually it just didn't go through. It was something to do with his bank. But then that prompted them to look at my account, and they asked, what is my website? I told them, actually gave them my Amazon store website, and they said, we're sorry, we can't do business with you. It's high risk. We'll give you 9 days. So I'm telling you, if you do have a PayPal account, make sure you get your money out of it right now, because they'll shut it down at any moment. They'll freeze your money for 6 months. And same thing with merchant accounts, Stripe accounts. So it's happening all over the place. So when I talked about in these other videos, is the solution for that is ORU, and that stands for One Race United, but there's several different things inside the marketplace here. It's only $30 the first month, and then it's like $5.95 every month after that. But what I joined for was because of the ORU Pay. So with it being $5.95 a month, you don't have to pay any transaction fees. So let's say you sold a digital product for $1,000. The person who is going to send you those funds, of course, has to be a member of ORU, just $5.95 a month. And you'll be able to receive those funds from that person directly to your Visa debit card, which they give you in here for free, and be able to spend it just like you use your debit card right now. But the great part about it is you're not going to pay any transaction fees. So you're going to be receiving that $1,000. I'm not talking about taxes or anything like that, but merchant accounts, PayPal, they'll keep a pretty good percentage of your money on that $1,000. Like, I think First Data, it has, I think it's 15%. I know it's quite a bit. A friend of mine who's a marketer, he said that they're holding like $3,000 of his money right now, and he's trying to get that back out. But it is a big problem because we work hard marketing, we make sales, and that's the great part about it, but then you want to be able to get that money once you make that money. So I wanted to show you, let's see, let me log in here. Actually, that's not going to take me there. Let's go here. when I got the Visa card, you actually get paid like, let's see, $7.84. So you can see right here, I got credited $7.84 just for getting the membership. The premium membership is the $30 the first month, and then $5.95 every month after that for all these benefits in here. But again, I got paid $7.84, and I thought, well, let me just see how this works. And I literally went to withdraw funds here, and within just I don't even think it was an hour, it showed that I had the $7 on my Visa card. That's, I can go ahead and spend that if I want. But if you're going to send money to someone, of course they have to be inside of this community here, but you would just go to, you would add funds. Now you can do it 3 different ways. If you still have PayPal, you can do that, or you can add it with a debit card or a credit card. And so you'll just add whatever amounts you want. You can choose here, and then you'll go to send funds, and you'll find that person in here and be able to send it directly here. And I think it was within just a very short time, I mean within an hour, that the person, or 5 minutes I think, someone said they got their money from someone else through here. And again, there's no fees for it. So I have a friend who has does missionary work in Nigeria, and they really have no way to send money. And I'm going to let her know about this because it's a great way to get funds wherever you want all over the world. So besides that, in here you've got your ORU score, which is you can get points, which translates into dollars, for different activities that you participate inside the marketplace here. And then you can see the Visa card here that already, that $7 is right here on my account. You can see, let's see here, balance is $7, so it's immediately into my account. Then we've got the health benefits, where you get discounts on your prescriptions. ORU social, that is pretty much exactly like Facebook. You can see here's my account here. It's just pretty much like Facebook. It's just a private community. So let's see, and then there's this marketplace here where you can sell your products or services and be able to advertise it. Down here you can see the advertising, or you advertising mail. You can be able to just send just like a regular email here inside the community. And this is something that was added recently, was the Savings Center, and that is coupons. You can clip these coupons, and some of them are pretty good. You can see this is like $2 off Huggies. So that's brand new in there. And in addition to all the benefits that you get, if you want to share, this is not multi-level marketing. It's referral. I don't know if you call it affiliate marketing, but anyway, when you refer someone and they get a premium membership where they get the upgrade for the Visa card, then you get paid $10 on each person that you refer, and then it's 10 levels deep. You earn residual income, 25 cents a month. So it definitely can add up, and it's something where everybody benefits from it just by having the account. But then again, if you want to share it with other people, you will get paid. So that's just, I just wanted to let you know, because again, this is something that is not going away. If you haven't had your account shut down, it's just a matter of time. As far as, I mean, you probably wouldn't if you weren't selling anything. If you were just using it to pay for things like PayPal, it's not going to get shut down. But if you're collecting money, it will get shut down. So this is a solution that John Valley, he's going to, with the companies that he owns, it's going to be in the back office, and that's going to be the way that people collect and pay money. So, because I think he's had 15 of his merchant account shut down. He said, it's no more. I'm not going to do any business with them anymore. It's because it's just like, they're holding his money and it's just not worth any of the headache that goes along with that. So again, I just wanted to let you know some of these changes here. ORU Marketplace Review, I've done a lot of them, but I'm going to post below this video some of the other videos that I did on this same company here. And I think it's great. It's very low cost. I think everybody should have an account. If you want to go ahead and get an account, go ahead and click the first link in the description below this video, and you can just go ahead and get signed up today. With that being said, this is Karen Mail signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.